Welcome back to my channel, and as well as welcome back to my money making tip series on how to make money on Etsy. And these money making tip series that I've started here on YouTube, they are all tried and basically proven techniques and proven methods that will literally make you money on Etsy fast, and as well as much as you are willing to gain from it. So today's secret works well, or I wouldn't, well, it works well on its own, and as well as it works fantastically well, and as well as super powerful if combined with the secret that I shared in my previous video, to which I'll be linking up here, or I'll be posting a link to that video into the description to this video here. So stick around and you're definitely gonna be surprised for today's secret, because literally it will skyrocket your. So the secret number 2 is to basically to play around with the number of stock list, the items that you are selling on your Etsy store. You play around with that a little bit. So basically, for example, now if you go to your Etsy store and you open maybe say 1 or 2 of the items that you're selling, you're probably putting in the real inventory stock count into whatever system Etsy is doing. So where it says stock list or item count or whatever, where the SKU field where the item edit is. So instead of putting, say for example, instead of putting 10 stock or 10 handbags you've got or whatever, and you've literally got 10, do not put 10, put 1 or put 2. And the reason for that is I'll explain to you soon, but let me just share with you this screenshot. So you've probably come across a lot of listings on Etsy that says 1 left in stock, hurry, or something, and it's written in red. Or you would come across a listing like the one that is showing in this screenshot, 1 left in stock, and it's currently in 13 people's checkout basket. Now, I will explain to you how you can have those 13 people or whatever, how many people, to display to the buyer how many people have that particular item from your store in their basket. There is a secret for that, and that's coming in the next few videos from my money making series. So please make sure to subscribe and to like this video if you like it. So anyway, going back to my secret number 2. Now the reason for that is you would reduce the stock. Instead of putting the real stock count that you have in your inventory, you would put 1 or 2, because Etsy system, when they see, or the system sees that there's 1 left in stock, it will trigger some sort of an alert for all the people that have that particular item in their favorites, or they've got your shop in their favorites. So they will receive a notification that this particular item that is in this buyer's favorite is currently low in stock and there is 1 left. So hurry up and buy it before it's gone, and you'll be missing out. You've probably experienced that as well when you were probably looking for something to buy on Etsy, and you probably came across a listing that says 2 left in stock, or 5, or 1, and there are so many people having that particular item in their checkout basket. This is how the buyers do. So they play around with the stock list. They put 2 left, or they put 1, and whenever somebody comes and buys, they go back, because then if they've put 1 left in stock and somebody comes and buys that particular item, the item goes out of stock, so it will not be visible for the buyers to buy. So what you will do next, you will go back into that listing, increase the inventory list again, maybe put it, you've got 1 left or you've got 2 left, increase that, save it. I know that you'll be paying whatever fees of relisting fees, but it's just peanuts. It's probably few cents here and there. It's nothing compared to the price of the item that you're selling. So publish it, and it will be again published with a warning alert display showing to the buyer there is one or two left. You either hurry up or it's all gone and you're gonna be missing out. Okay, so don't underestimate the secret number two that I'm sharing with you in this video, because literally speaking, if you combine it together with secret number one from the link in the description of the video that I shared with previously, honestly speaking, your sales will be skyrocketing. It's because, you see, it all goes down to psychological factors and stuff. So when Etsy sees that you've got low in stock for this particular item, and especially if it's one or two, it triggers a system notification for that buyer. Not only that, it triggers a system notification on the app that the buyer has downloaded on their mobile, and also they would send an email telling them about this particular item is low in stock. You need to hurry up and buy it before it's too late, otherwise you'll miss out, all that drama and everything. And as well as the seller will be quickly rushing to buy that off your store. Now wait 1 minute, I need to also mention for you secret number three. Well, I wouldn't really say secret number three, it's not really a secret, it's basically like an extra bonus tip that I'll be sharing with you, that if you combine this bonus tip with today's secret, literally speaking, oh my god, you will appear in Etsy searches on the first page. Not only that, on the first row. Just wait until the end of this video and you'll know what is the bonus tip that will literally have you showing on Etsy's #1 page, and as well as on the first row. So when I mentioned about in the previous segment of this video that I shared with you a screenshot that showed a listing with one left in stock for that particular buyer, and they had like 13 people having that item in their basket. Now that also is very powerful, which I will be sharing the method to you soon in the next series coming about how to achieve that. But in the time being, if you combine playing around with the stock list, one or two maximum, do not go more than that, because then I'm not too sure, I haven't really tried and tested it, but it was very effective for me when I was doing it with one or two left in stock. I've never done it three or more. But the only tedious thing with this method is because you need to watch out in regards to the item going out of stock. But the thing is, it's actually a good thing that the item goes out of stock, because when a buyer goes and sees that notification that there is one item left for this particular from this particular store, and then that buyer goes and clicks on that notification, so he goes to that listing, and then he discovers that it's gone, it's not available anymore because the item has gone out of stock. So in this case, this is also a win-win situation, because the buyer will end up following or liking or putting your store to their favorites, so that when the item is back in stock, they will receive a notification saying it's back in stock, hop on online and purchase that item pronto. Okay, so now we've reached to the bonus part that I promised you towards the end of the video. I will share with you a bonus tip that, if combined with today's secret and the other secret, it will work wonders for you and you will make massive sales. So the bonus tip is, in order for this secret to kick off or to be powerfully launched into the Etsy's algorithm, you're gonna need to be paying for Etsy ads for it to be 100 or to go above and beyond its performance. So you'll need something to boost it a little bit, and this boost is actually will come from Etsy ads. You don't need to pay $20 or $10 or whatever. Minimum is $2. If you can afford $2, yeah, activate your Etsy ads, select that listing that you want to have the ad for, and as well as playing around with the stock list, and as well as from the previous tip that I shared in tip number 1 or secret number 1. All these combined together with Etsy's ads will literally get your sales exploded out of control. And then I will be sharing with you about the next money making tip series for secret number 3, which is how to achieve that. What I've mentioned in the beginning of this video. I don't want to reveal more about it. I want you to be waiting in anticipation. And thank you for those people that have subscribed to my channel, and thank you for the people that have given it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would literally be highly appreciated if you did. Thank you. And stand by for the next coming secret, which is secret number 3. Thank you.